Hey! So when you ask me what to buy to a kid that has almost everything, and you want to buy something special that his parents would love, and he will also, talk about this kind of stuff. That's a Lelin again. That's a Lelin. That's a great hand-crafted, hand-painted wood cash register. Here it is. And as you can see in a few seconds, it's fun. You'd love it. Now, I don't know if all the parts are inside, but as you can see, we have here even a drawer. It comes out with credit cards. Lelin credit cards. Again, golden credit cards inside, and you have a calculating calculator, and maybe other parts. So we have it for a year and a half, I think, 18 months, and it works great. You see, have 4 holes here. I think this goes here, and that's a real paper, and you get it with this register thing. And let's see, we have those parts. I assume that simply goes like this and like this, and that. Now the fact that it's made out of wood is it's nothing really. It's very 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 easy to use, easy to play with. That's a thing. And it's I won't say it's unbreakable, but I think it was somewhere here, maybe, don't really know, but it was part of it. So we've got it like 18 months now. Work great. You can push the buttons. See, you push, you really push the buttons. From a close look, I'm pushing the buttons, and you have real paper. You can see the kids like, what, mister? That's your bill now? And they really play with it, like adults, see? And they can make calculations. That's fun. Now it's not a plastic toy, and that's great to use. So that's, again, here it is. That's a Lelin cash register. I believe that you have other toys like this, so it doesn't have to be Lelin, but they have a great product. So hope you enjoyed it. Have fun and buy some.